Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. The YouTube video transcript covers a range of updates and discussions within the Star Atlas community, focusing on guild activities, upcoming events, and game development. A significant portion of the conversation revolves around the emergence of a new, mud-only guild named Vanguard, which is actively recruiting members from other established guilds like the Club, Final Frontier, and Unseen. This guild aims to assemble the top players across HoloSim, Sage, and UE5, signaling their ambition to make a significant impact. Vanguard's members are highly motivated, actively developing a comprehensive infrastructure including logos, merchandise, business cards, and a website. They also plan to acquire a Titan ship using Andre's fleet share coin, highlighting their strategic long-term goals. The discussion then shifted to recent and upcoming community events. A recent game night with the tokenized 360 crew saw over 150 new players participate, leading to new connections with guilds, although it also highlighted issues like spawn trapping, which necessitated a live rule change. More such game nights are planned, especially following the next game update, which will introduce progression and on-chain rewards to improve player retention. Looking ahead, the Star Atlas community can anticipate an e-com forum, Portuguese and Spanish-speaking brews, and the regular Gal game night with giveaways. It was also noted that the DAO Council meeting would not be held this Saturday. A major focus of the upcoming events is Copa. Described as one of the most important events in Star Atlas history, offering $26,000 in prizes, including valuable CSS claim stake slots for top-performing guilds. Beyond monetary rewards, guilds submitting valid presentations will gain direct communication channels with the Atlas team for support and potential access to assets for campaigns, fostering deeper relationships between the developers and the guilds, who are considered the heart of the project. Guilds have 15 days to submit their presentations. Additionally, nominations are open for the Joanny Awards, celebrating community contributions across categories such as Community Member of the Year, Content Creator of the Year, and Most Popular Guild of the Year. The Most Popular Guild Award is unique, as it is entirely community voted, with measures in place to filter out bots. Winning these awards comes with rare Joanny trophies. The highly anticipated Community Week is a week-long celebration packed with events. It will feature a kickoff event, Copa, a secret event, and a Team Star Atlas versus Community UE5 shooter match, where community members can win prizes by defeating the team. The Joanny Awards will also be presented during this week. A new addition this year is the Community Carnival, inspired by Brazilian Carnival, where participants can earn tickets through various activities like trivia and talent shows to redeem for prizes at the week's end. Community projects like EVI and Super Phoenix DAO are invited to submit commercial ads to be showcased during the week, free of charge, to reach a wider audience. New activities are also planned for Discord, including the return of Gardic and opportunities for players to showcase their work. In terms of game development, the team provided updates on Spectator Mode in UE5, which is currently under development. This feature is expected to revolutionize esports events by allowing real-time spectating and casting, with a new Gatling gun asset briefly revealed. It could introduce new team dynamics, although competitive integrity will likely mean limiting spectators to casters during tournaments. A tournament leveraging Spectator Mode is planned after the next update. The conversation also delved into the progression system and economic integration in UE5. The upcoming update will enable players to progress, earn XP, and gain on-chain rewards, which is seen as a crucial step for player retention and connecting UE5 directly to the Star Atlas ecosystem. The ability to earn in-game resources and sell them to Sage players is viewed as a game breaker and the start of a new era for Star Atlas, incentivizing new players to join the free-to-play UE5 experience. However, the developers are proceeding cautiously with real-time on-chain rewards to prevent issues like hacking and botting, which have affected other games. Finally, HoloSim was discussed, with community members providing feedback. Despite initial concerns, data indicates that HoloSim is not negatively impacting Sage player numbers, and many players are enjoying it, even without direct economic incentives, which is seen as a, quote, super bullish sign. The team is close to finishing the first testing phase, particularly gathering data on capital ship performance. Community suggestions for HoloSim in Sage included built-in automation, fast-paced gameplay for HoloSim, engaging quest systems, net worth ranks tied to careers like soldier or merchant, a faction progress countdown, and a combat log with revenge mechanics. The infamous, quote, Great Massacre of 25 Inches in HoloSim, where over 1,000 crew members were destroyed in one night, was highlighted as an event that even influenced game design. The team also acknowledged challenges with closing the Never Alone feature due to resource allocation, as their focus remains on C4 and HoloSim. The video concluded with a peek at new Fleet Command ship art, including the Guardian, Opal Shark, and Calico Hero, anticipated for HoloSim and Sage.